It's time for another gardening update. Hey guys, just a quick little update for Thursday collaboration. Nothing much is going on. I am going to try and get out here and sweep back here in the back area. Let me go slow. All that I gotta sweep up and probably prune, cut back a lot of the stuff. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. Cut back a lot of those branches, a lot of the plants, and that's the chores. Get something done. But thanks for joining me today. This is the this big bushy plant. Hopefully that's my Cosmo plant, because that's the seeds I put in there. It's gotten pretty big. Look like tomato, but no, that's Cosmo. Hopefully flowers come soon. Another my black rose plant, the garlic plant with the purple flowers, the pansies, I believe. Look how big that pinkish one has gotten. So big, so beautiful. I'm gonna repot the polka dot plant. So far, this is what's going on. A little disarray, needs straightening out. Some things. How y'all doing? I hope y'all doing good. We gotta dust all these. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. Some of my people here. My little insects. My little ants. Trying to straighten it out. Little frog guy in the sage plant. The ants. Butterflies. Bees. Welcoming frog. Coastal. What is it? Is it pelican? No, not pelican. I don't know. Forget the name of that bird. But butterflies. A lot going on that need to be corrected. The thinking frog back there. Eyes open. Compared to, oh, my little frog is just down there, all need to be exposed so I can show all this beautifulness. But this is it, y'all. Just a little short update what's going on the balcony garden. Okay, hope y'all enjoyed this little. There goes another ant with some spider webs on it. Bees, the little pear tree, zebra with the broke neck. I gotta fix it. Okay. Alright, so that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed this little update. Till we meet again. Happy gardening. Look at the bird looking at the I keep wanting to say pelican at the coastal bird. It's crazy. Look how it's looking. I know it. Alright. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening. Bye. I'll see you on the next one. Gardening